Hello, kids. Today we will learn very important English words. WH question words. These words help us ask questions. What is used when we ask about things or actions? What is your name? My name is Ali. What are you doing? I am playing. Where place? Where is used for places. Where are you going? I am going to school. When right arrow time? When is used for time? When is your birthday? My birthday is in June. Why right arrow reason? Why is used for reasons. Why are you sad? Because I lost my toy. Who right arrow person? Who is used for people. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Ahmed. Which right arrow choice? Which is used when we choose something. Which color do you like? I like blue. WH questions help us ask about things, places, time, reasons, people, and choices.